Today we're bringing you our Watermelon-Rita shooters.
So these shooters are sweet, they're salty, and best of all, super freaking cute.
They're adorable.
If you're a tequila lover like us, these are for you. These are basically mini watermelon margaritas.
To give it that watermelon flavor, we went with Beatbox Watermelon. If you're wondering where to find Beatbox, their store locator is in the link in our description.
Let's get to crafting these shooters, because I'm ready to shoot them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do know what you're saying.
Grab your shaker tin. We're gonna go ahead and do a recipe for 2 shots. The first ingredient that we're going to be adding is tequila.
Yes.
We're going in with 1 ounce of tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of orange liqueur.
We're using Cointreau today, but you can use any orange liqueur like triple sec, or if you don't have these, you can even use orange juice.
Last, we're going to be adding 2 ounces of Beatbox watermelon. So if you don't know about Beatbox, Beatbox is actually made from orange wine. They're so fun. I mean, look at them. They have such a nostalgic feel to them. Obsessed.
Also, fun fact, they were on Shark Tank.
They actually got a deal with Mark Cuban.
That makes them even cooler.
If you don't know, now you know. That is our favorite shark. We rimmed our salt glasses with some watermelon salt. If you can't get your hands on watermelon salt, regular salt will do. But if you can, this salt is that jam.
Garnish with a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle that none of the sides are equal.
She's coming for my cutting skills, and I'm offended. But honestly, I was going for a scalene triangle.
You nailed it. But before we take this shot, be sure to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you very much. So how do we do these? You lick, you shoot, you bite.
I'm ready.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. So good.
So I love that they're salty and then sweet, and when you get a bite of watermelon, it's just a good time.
This is the perfect shot for summer. Wow.
Salt though.
I want another one.